Hello everyone. Venmo is a popular app for sending and receiving money. But if you are new to it, getting started can be a bit intimidating. In this video, we will show you how to set up your Venmo account and use the app to send and receive payments with ease. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply go to your browser, then click on the URL section over here, search for Venmo. It is as simple as that. Now, click on the first link, and this is the website. So, as you can see, Venmo is an application that helps you send and receive, pay with Venmo, and it has a business account as well. How does it work? Simply, if you click here on how it works, you will find all the information needed. So here, as you can see, it has settling up feels like catching up when you pay with Venmo. So if you click here on get Venmo, and this gets you signed up for Venmo, you will start creating an account. So first take a look at our fees, then hit next to fill out your information. So all you can see here are some information about their fees, etc., and the interest rate that they have, and some other stuff. And when you feel like you are comfortable with everything here, you click on next. Here there is some information that you can have. For example, open an account. The sending account is actually for free. Spending or sending money will cost you online purchases $0, and for sending money to people using your balance, debit card, bank account, or etc., it will be around 0% to 3%. Here, adding money to your account, it will always be free unless adding money was using a cash a check feature. For example, fast check deposits, payroll, and government checks. It will be minimum of $5 fee. For the other things, here adding money using cash a check feature, like the same thing or all other accepted check types, it will be for the minimum of 5%, which is $5 fee. For the received payments in your business profile and your charity profile or that are identified as for goods and services will be around 1.9% plus $0.10. And now let's head up and click on next. So here you have to choose whether you want a personal or business account. I'm going to personal. Then click on get started. You have to put here your phone number. So here I'm going to put a phone number real quick and I will be right back. So unfortunately guys, Venmo didn't accept my phone number since it only works on the US and I didn't have a phone number that is compatible with it, even though I had like a correct information. I had like a US number, etc. But it is still not working for me for some reasons. I don't get why. But overall, here I'm going to show you everything in Venmo by details through their own help center. So as you know, this Venmo has so many things from sending and receiving. So here there is save some how it works. I showed you that. There is some tips and tricks, manage balance. You can from a direct deposit, do some crypto. Even you can like do some cryptocurrency trading using Venmo. So you can actually start buying cryptocurrencies and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, whatever coin you think of, it will be in your wallet on Venmo, which is a pretty insane thing. So all you have to do is open Venmo and select crypto from the menu. Make your first purchase for as little as $1. So imagine going and buying Bitcoin for $1. That's actually insane. Even like Binance itself, it won't allow you to buy like Bitcoin for $1, but Venmo actually will allow you to. Here, if you want to share it on your feed, keep tabs on your crypto with prices, alerts, and easily sell or buy more in a few taps. So once the actual price is going down, they will send you a notification. When it's going up, they will send you a notification, and that will help you a lot in your trading process. For pay with Venmo, there is too many ways to pay. You can pay business, pay in app and online. You can pay in stores, as you can see here. You can simply just go to a store and just let them scan your barcode And as you can see, just like that, pay and go. As simple as that. It works just like your credit card, but in mobile. Here are how ways to get paid. So they accept Venmo payments and they accept Venmo in apps and online. So there is a bunch of ways on how you can get paid using Venmo. You can actually get paid on your account from another Venmo user as like so. You can just scan your phone and then the money will be sent. In other ways there is you can actually just put money in your account using your credit card, and that also will have no fees unless you had some check or something like that. It will cost you some fees and they will cut it from your money. And that said, these are the common ways to get paid. Of course you can get paid through cryptocurrency as well. And they have a really cool help center. If you didn't see it, here you will have all the informations about accounts, profile and settings, payments and transfers, troubleshooting, security and privacy, getting started, wallet, disputes, buying and selling with Venmo, business profits, profiles and charity profiles. So you'll have all the information needed in those articles. For example, if you want some payments and transfers, you will here find 5 to a limited amount of questions that are frequently asked, and you will find them here. For example, payments. What payments? What does how to do with payments? You have all these articles: sending requested money, I accidentally paid a stranger on Venmo, payment from stranger, cancel payment, Siri payments, how it works. So you can actually let Siri do the payments for you. And iMessage payments, setting up iMessage payments, accepting iMessage payments, and canceling iMessage payments. You can do all of that using Venmo, guys, which is absolutely insane and very helpful. And this is, yeah, this is technology, guys. That's what we are living on today. So this was with the payment section. For troubleshooting, wallet, etc., the same thing. Here you only find two topics, but if you went in deep, you will find all of these topics so in detail. If you want bank account setup, the same thing. You have so many frequently asked questions that have been answered in this section over here, as you can see. So yeah, guys, that was it about Venmo. I hope like I could create an account and show you everything in the app itself, but it's not a problem. There is the app and the images. You could just look at the images and you can understand everything just through the images. Unfortunately, you may have the same problem that I faced, and what you could do is simply just contact the support for a solution, and maybe they will fix it in the upcoming days. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and see you guys in the next tutorial.